How to turn your paycheck into real wealth. Let me guess, you work hard every month, your paycheck coming, and within a week it's almost gone. Bills, food, little splurges and emergency, and then you are waiting for the next payday. That cycle is not because you don't earn enough money, but it's because no one ever taught us how to spend our paycheck the right way. Your paycheck isn't just money to spend, it is a seed. And if you plant it, water it and grow it, that same paycheck can buy you freedom, peace of mind and real wealth. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Hannah, and on this channel I teach about how to make money both online and offline and how to become financially stable. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video so other people may see it. And I want to say a big shout out to my already subscriber who took me from 0 to over 1,000. I'm so much grateful. I do not take this for granted. Thank you so much. So in today's video, I'm going to break it down step by step, and by the end you will see how even a small paycheck can be turned into a wealth building machine. Let's go. Firstly, you need to understand this. Wealth doesn't start with money, it starts with how you think about money. Picture these two friends who earn exactly the same salary. One took his own to eat, vibing and buying of clothes, while the other one take little out of his salary each month to invest. And fast forward to 5 years later, one is still living paycheck to paycheck, while the other one has built a safety net, maybe even a rental property or a big investment account. Same income but total different outcome. Now the key point here is not about how much you earn, it's about how you manage your earnings. Always think of your paycheck as a tiny employee where you can either fire them by spending them instantly or giving them jobs so they can bring more employees to you every month. By now you can clearly see that wealth starts in the mind before it can show up in your bank account. You should always think of paying yourself first, because most people see paychecks, see bills, then maybe see what is left after. But you see wealthy people, once they withhold their paycheck, they first think of saving or investing, then they cannot live on what is left. Because it's just like when food come at a party, you know very well that if you wait till the end, it's just the crumbs that will be left. But if you serve yourself first, you will eat well. So you see, your savings need to eat first. This is the practical steps to follow. Save at least 10% of your paycheck immediately. For instance, if you earn $500, that is $50, and if you earn $2,000, that is $200. It doesn't matter how much, just start. Yes, even if it means skipping one night pizza or cutting down Uber ride, your future will thank you. Wealth doesn't grow in a leaking bucket. Of course, imagine yourself putting water in a bucket and at the bottom there is a hole. That is what debt does to your finance. First step is to clear all high interest debt, either credit card or quick loan, and then build emergency funds of 3 months to 6 months of expenses. Why? Because without it, one hospital bill or job loss can wipe everything. Think of your emergency fund as an umbrella. You don't wait till it's raining before you go buy one, you keep it ready. Use your paycheck to buy assets. Let me make you understand this better. Assets put back money into your pocket, while liability take money out. You see that shiny cars that eat fuel and repair is a liability, and you see that small plot of land that you can buy and rent it out is an asset. If you invest in stock has a low barrier and it's easy to start, or you can start up a small business on your own and your paycheck can actually fund the start. If you invest $300 every month into an index fund for 15 years, that could grow into over $15. That is your paycheck turning into a mini army of cash. It's like planting a mango tree today. You won't have a fruit immediately, but in the next few years you will never run out of mango. The reason why most people fail is not laziness, it's because they rely on willpower, and willpower fades. So the next time you collect your paycheck, save first or invest, then bills, then spend the rest of the money. Doing it this way is like your money is on autopilot. Imagine flying a plane and having to steer every second. It's exhausting. but with autopilot it's just guide. So same as money, wealth isn't just about saving, it's also about increasing income. So use part of your paycheck to buy skills, certificates or tools. A friend of mine invested part of her salary in learning graphic design, and within a year her side hustle made her more than her 9-to-5 paycheck. I believe that sits well. So instead of blowing $300 on a latest phone upgrade, invest that on a course that could fetch you $3,000 next year. Your paycheck should be like a soldier. Some fight the battle today while some are being trained to become a general tomorrow. If you want the wealth to stick around, then do this. Live below your means. Don't let lifestyle to creep eat your raise. Track your expenses using app or notes. I know someone who doubled their salary but still stay broke because all their raises went straight into fancy clothes, big cars and more dinner out. Same paycheck circle in designer outfits. This is the challenge. Next time you get your raise, commit to saving or invest half of it. That is just the only way to level up faster. Wealth is built in stages. Stage 1 is stability, where you have no debts or emergency fund. Growth investment, working for freedom. Your money cover your lifestyle. Now let's visualize together. Close your eyes and imagine 10 years from now, no debt. Your investment is paying your bills and you have the freedom to walk away from any job. That is the reward of using your paycheck wisely today. Now let's recap. Your paycheck is your tools, not just the survival money. That is why you need to pay yourself first, fix the leak, invest in assets, grow your income, build habits and play the long game. Let me be sincere with you. Wealth isn't one big lottery win. It is a small decision you made every single payday. Every paycheck is a chance either to repeat the same circle or to buy your own freedom. So what are you doing with your next paycheck? If this video gives you a new perspective, hit that like button and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to share it with all of your friends so we can all break the paycheck to paycheck circle together. Cheers.